And also guys, before I forget, why it is very important to replace that cracked drive belt if it is cracked or worn out, because not only that you will not get the battery charge because the alternator is driven by that drive belt, which I'm going to do a separate video because we had a very funny case on Dan's car. But the more important thing why you need or want to replace that if it is cracked and you don't want it to snap, because the water pump, which is below the alternator, is driven by that drive belt, and if that snaps and you are on your way, you will still be able to drive the car. However, the water pump will not be working, and basically very likely you blow your head gasket, and that will cost you a lot more in money than just replacing the drive belt.